Hey YouTube, it's me, Eric. Today we're going to be doing a battery relocation install on an Evo 9. Previously I had installed a small battery kit on this Evo 9. It was the Odyssey PC680, I believe. As we all know, those batteries don't last that long. Some do, some don't. So tired of that, gonna go with the bigger battery. Here's a few of the items that we'll be installing on the Evo 9. Here we have a fuse box from an Evo 10 and also power cable from an Evo 10. I was able to source these off of my project that is down at the moment, and eventually will get its own custom setup. As you can see, the trunk is completely empty. Removed all the carpet, and all the other tools and etc. The battery is going to be relocated right in this area here. Well, it's as snug as a bug in a rug. Now we need to route the power cable through the car. Alright, I'm going to route the cable from back here along the back side of the seat, and then try and route it through that hole right there and run along the door sill into the engine bay. Alright, so yesterday we got the cable routed through the car and into the engine bay. So I want to clear up a few things. I've seen some confusion on as to what each thing from the original power terminal of the stock location is. Basically you have this one right here, goes to the ACD, it's the 60 amp. The one over here that says 100 amp goes to the alternator, and then this one right here doesn't have any fuse on it, goes to the starter, and then one more right here that doesn't have a fuse on it goes to the fuse box that's under the hood. This one here will be getting an 80 amp fuse. The ACD one, that's 60 amps, will also get an 80 amp. And the alternator will go to the 120 on the Evo X distribution block. The one that's going to the starter, that doesn't have anything on it right now, will go to the 140 that's on the top of the distribution block. startup. Looks like everything's working. Got everything hooked up in the trunk. Fired up all right. Well, that concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. Stay tuned, there'll be more videos down the line.